Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by matching the pliers and dies to the snap size. This prevents crushing or misalignment. Once you have the correct die installed, position the fabric on a flat, stable surface and mark the exact center where the snap goes. Make sure to stack any backing or interfacing as needed to reinforce thin materials. This avoids pull-through later. Apply gentle pressure to seat the snap halves together during the first squeeze so they align. This first move sets the rest of the process. You now place the snap halves into the dies, male on one side, female on the other, so they meet flush. Once aligned, squeeze the pliers in a steady, controlled motion. A deliberate press forms the crimp evenly without distorting metal. If you feel resistance change or see the halves skew, release and realign. Make small adjustments and resqueeze rather than forcing a single hard blow. Making 2 lighter compressions often yields a cleaner seat than 1 excessive squeeze. You finish by trimming stray threads and testing the snap through repeated opening and closing to confirm secure engagement. If the snap feels loose, make 1 more careful compression action. If it still slips, remove and replace it. Recrimping a badly deformed snap wastes time. When things go wrong, check alignment first. Most failures come from misset dies or uneven pressure. Finally, make sure not to hammer the snap. The pliers' controlled crush is the only way to avoid warping and fabric damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.